Hi friends, it's Fragrant Friday, and today we are making a do-it-yourself bug off with our essential oils and a special additional oil as well too. And we know that mosquitoes can kind of bug us, right, during our picnics and parties outdoors, and it's Memorial Day weekend, so we may have that issue, right? So we're going to make one and we're going to be using lemongrass. And we're using lemongrass because it's really widely praised as a strong insect repellent. It has those properties in it. It contains citronella, which is really known for its ability to repel mosquitoes and other pests. And also, lemongrass has that really refreshing and clean scent. I just love it. It's very uplifting, very invigorating, and it really makes a good choice for when we're making personal care products. The next one we're going to use is cedarwood. And cedarwood is really valued for its woody, its warm aroma, and it also is an effective pest repellent as well too. So it works well against mosquitoes and moths as well too. And the cedar oil contains components that have been found to repel insects by interfering, get this, interfering with their pheromones. So it's also very soothing to the skin, making an excellent addition to any body care product that you may make if you want to make other kinds of products. So the next one we want to use is patchouli. And it's really known, I love patchouli, don't you? It's really known for its rich, earthy, grounding aroma, very soothing to the skin. But guess what? It has insect repellent benefits as well too. And it's usually, historically, I should say, it's been used to protect fabrics from insects. And so it can work just as well on the skin to repel bugs, including mosquitoes and ants. And our last one that we're going to use is vanilla ole resin. How about that? Vanilla oleo resin is a great choice because, well, it has a rich, authentic aroma, right? It has that vanilla scent. It's much more concentrated and enduring from what you would get from food grade vanilla extract. So we're not using the what you would normally put in your cupcakes and pancakes and things like that. We're using the oleo resin of vanilla, which is oleoresin. And so it's going to give you that vanilla scent, and it has a lot of stability in it as well. Now, extract, as you probably know, has really a high alcohol content and may not be stable when it's used or exposed, I should say, to light and heat. And so the oleoresin is more stable and more concentrated in this form, and it retains the fragrance and the properties better over time, making it certainly suitable for a longer shelf life as well too. And vanilla oleoresin also has soothing properties to it, so it can be very beneficial for the skin. It can calm irritation, it can reduce anxiety, uh, and even stress when you inhale it too. So why we're using it for this is so, well, it helps to repel those little bugaboos as well too. So that's what we'll be using today. And I'm going to suggest a roll-on as well as a spray that you can make. And that's what we'll be doing today. So let's get over to the work table and get busy. Hi friends, we're over here at the work table now, and so let's put together our roll-on and our spray, and you can do either or, what works for you today. And if you don't have the vanilla oleo resin, don't worry about it, you can skip that one. So let's go ahead, bring that 10 milliliter bottle over, and let's put 4 drops of lemongrass in there. And then we're going to take our cedarwood, and we're going to put 3 drops of cedarwood in. And then let's take our patchouli, and we're going to put 3 drops of patchouli in here. There we go. And then if you have the vanilla oleo resin, or you can get it, you can add this, and you only need 1 drop of this. Actually got 2 in there, but that is okay. So then we're going to mix those together. And then we're going to bring over our coconut oil, right? Our fractionated coconut oil. And let me do this off camera here. So we're just putting a couple pumps in here, filling it, but making sure you're leaving enough space so you can put your roller ball in. So we'll do that. And the cap. And then you want to shake it, or you can roll it between your palms, either way, whatever you'd like to do. So that is a roll-on, and with this one you can apply directly on your pulse points, like your wrists, behind your ears, ankles, anywhere where the body is warmer, helping to diffuse the scent. So you get that repellent effect. And you can reapply as needed. So that is what you can use to repel those insects for any of your outdoor activities, your hiking, your camping, your gardening, whatever you may be doing, your barbecue this weekend. So for the spray, we're going to use a 2-ounce spray bottle here, and we're going to add in 1 ounce of witch hazel or distilled water. And then we're going to add 1 ounce of the coconut oil. So let me do that right now. Okay, so now that we have the distilled water, or if you want to use the witch hazel, and the fractionated coconut oil, or any other carrier oil that you would like to use, now we're going to add in our essential oils. So for this one, we're going to add 8 drops of the lemongrass. And 6 drops of the cedarwood. Patchouli we're also going to add 6 drops of. And then once again, the vanilla is optional, and in this spray we're only going to use 2 drops. So then we're going to secure. So then we're going to shake this all up together. And then there you go. There you have it. You have the 2. And make sure you shake it before each use, even the roll-on too. That way, particularly with the spray, because we put distilled water in there, we want to make sure that that the essential oils and the oleo resin mixes together, because they don't dissolve in water, obviously. And just apply generously to your clothes, exposed skin, avoiding any sensitive areas in the face and eyes, of course, and just reapply as needed. And do a patch test if you have sensitive skin. That way you can ensure that there's no reaction at all, particularly with the addition of the vanilla oleo resin. And you want to store these cool, dry place. Typically we use amber colored bottles. Sometimes you see me using clear bottles as well too. So there you have it. There is our do-it-yourself bug-off spray. So there you have it, friends. This recipe for both the roll-on and the spray is really an effective way to repel insects, those mosquitoes, while you're enjoying all your outdoor activities this weekend during Memorial Day, and of course during the rest of the summer. So it's going to enhance that for you. Plus the soothing aroma of vanilla makes it a really pleasant way to repel those bugs that come by. So enjoy your Memorial Day weekend. Thanks, everyone.